This is the moment that many Golf Mk7 users were waiting for. In my hand I have a bulb that is going into the dipped beam as an H7 socket, which is this one, which is as bright as the H15 that we also have. I'm just going to focus on the H7, and as you can see, there is no adapter needed. It's got already the adapter built in. In these cars, to install LED lights, it was extremely difficult. Maybe not extremely, but you had to know which one to choose, which LED bulb. Then you had to buy the adapters, then you have to fit them. Some of the adapters were too small. That we have the adapters as well, but we were struggling, to explain to customers that you need to buy the bulb that is also small to fit through the adapter. With this one, you don't have to. It's just simple plug and play. It's already here. No need to do anything else. It's sticking out a bit. I think that the cap is still gonna close. I need to test that, but the cap is still gonna close. So it's a perfect solution. It's not cheap, but we'll try to calculate the price and put it on as best price as we could. But in this video I'm gonna show you also how to install, which it takes literally 5 seconds, and the brightness, as you can see with the other bulb, is exactly the same as the H15 for daytime running lights that we also have. So let's dive right in. So as you can see, the bulb has everything there. You just need to look at the lugs, where are they positioned, and when you have the light here, you see those 2 pins as well. You see them on the bulbs as well. So basically just wiggle that in. Yes, as you can see, it's going in. Twist it, make sure it's safely in the place, and the cap is going on top without any hassle. And that's it. That's literally 5 seconds. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Let me know in the comments any questions you have, and see you in the next one.